I think it's time for a new creative challenge for myself. I've always admired film photographers and film photography in general, and it occurred to me that I always wanted to achieve the film look in Lightroom or by using film recipes on my Fujifilm cameras, as you've probably seen before. But now I think it's time for the real deal. I'm going to try out film photography for the first time, and I'm going to take you guys with me on my journey. I would be lying if I said that I've never shot film before. Back in the days when I was around 10 years old, I bought some disposable cameras and brought them to school or birthday parties. Yes, young Gert already had the shutter bug inside of him. And I remember my mom, she had a film camera as well, but I can't remember which one. When I was 15, I bought this camera. This is the Diana Mini, and it's a toy plastic camera made by Lomography. You can still find these in your local hipster shop. The pictures I took with these turned out pretty weird, but it was so much fun to shoot those pictures and then develop them and see what I got. But in the end, I didn't really know what I was doing. So now it's time for a restart. And with my experience with digital photography, I think it will be an interesting journey. I've never been more excited to try out something new like this. So let's go and take a look at the setup that I've got for this video. So a big thank you to my sister to lend me this camera. This is a Canon AE-1 and it comes with a 50mm 1.8 lens. It also comes with this vintage looking strap, which looks kind of cool, I think. And she also gave me a roll of film, and it was the Fujicolor Xperia 400, I believe. It also comes with a light meter that's built in, and it still works. I did some research and I saw that the light meter inside of this Canon AE-1 is pretty reliable. The good news for you is that if you're interested in trying out film photography as well, they literally made millions of these. So the Canon AE-1 is kind of cheap. I think you can pick this one up for around $100 to $150 together with a 50mm lens. So let's load this roll of film together. I hope I don't fuck it up. I didn't know when this roll of film was bought, so it could be expired. I'm not sure. I've been wanting to try the Portra 400, of course, but it's kind of expensive for your first roll of film. So let's try it with this one instead. The weather is looking kind of crap for the rest of the week, so today is my only chance where there's a little bit of sunlight in the city. So let's go outside and have a look on what we can shoot. Okay, voiceover Gert here. I tried out the first pictures in my apartment. The light was looking very good and I wanted to take some shots where I know the light hits the best. Kind of happy with these already. I really like how green and red everything looks. You certainly get some nostalgic feeling when you look at these pictures. Next, we went outside with our bikes because it's easier to transport to all of the places I really wanted to photograph. In the mornings when I walk my dog, this is the first alley that catches the first rays of sun, and it always catches my eye, so this was a good picture to start off our outside series. Looking pretty good. Wat? Next visit is the Botanical Gardens of Ghent, and this place is actually at 200 meters of our apartment, and I always found it very interesting. So this should be a good spot and deserve a place on my roll of film. Nice. Ja, dat mooi is. What I noticed when looking at the pictures for the first time is that I was struggling with pulling focus, especially when the aperture was around 2.8 or below. When we went inside, we noticed that there was a lot of moisture because of the tropical plants. It created a kind of special effect that you can create with a black pro mist filter, for example, and I really like it. This is probably my favorite shot of the roll. I really like how this turns out. It looks like it's kind of 3D, and this is probably the picture that makes me fall in love with film photography for sure. A palm tree in Belgium. Can it be more random? Ik denk dat hier recht in het midden is. The street photographer in me wanted to take this picture. I stopped by and I saw the two people in the middle of the bushes, and I liked what I saw. Okay, that was it, people. I really enjoyed this. Unfortunately, this is a very expensive hobby, but I really wanted to do this. You can expect more film photography videos in the future. We'll see. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.